Welcome to this tutorial on how to add a gallery to Wix. Adding a gallery is a great way to showcase your images and enhance the visual appeal of your website. To get started, log into your Wix account and select the website you want to add the gallery to. First, click on the Add button on the top bar of the editor. Then select Gallery from the drop-down menu. This will open the Gallery section, where you can choose from a variety of gallery types, including grid, slideshow, and strip. Choose the gallery type that best suits your needs. Then click on it to add it to your page. Once the gallery is added, you can start uploading your images. To do this, click on the Add Images button. Then select the images you want to upload from your computer. You can also add images from other sources, such as Wix's built-in photo library or social media platforms. Once your images are uploaded, you can customize the gallery's settings, including the layout, spacing, and image size. To customize the gallery's layout, click on the Settings icon. Then select the Layout tab. From here, you can choose the number of columns and rows, as well as the spacing between images. You can also add a title and description to your gallery, which can help with search engine optimization. To add a title and description, click on the Settings icon. Then select the Text tab. From here, you can enter your title and description, and customize the text's font, size, and color. Once you're happy with your gallery's settings, click on the Publish button to make it live. Best practices for adding a gallery to Wix include keeping your images high quality and optimized for web use, using a consistent layout and design, and adding relevant titles and descriptions to your images. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a beautiful and functional gallery that enhances your Wix website and engages your visitors.